ladies and gentlemen, in the 4 hours since my last video, we've had an X 2.1 class flare off of stage left on the sun, and Hurricane Milton at Category 5 went from 160 mile per hour winds to now 180 sustained mile per hour winds. And look at that purple circle around the eye wall. As some scary shit. The National Hurricane Center said this could be one of the most destructive hurricanes in Florida history. As of right now, it is expected to make landfall somewhere north or south or on and in Tampa Bay. And this is still about 52 hours, give or take, away from landfall. The good news is it's expected to weaken before it hits, but I think before anybody can figure out how much it will weaken, you got to know how strong it will be. It looks like it might even be making a run at 190 to 200 miles per hour. It is one of the strongest hurricanes ever, like 5th place, 6th place, whether it's Gulf of Mexico or the Atlantic, or if we're just counting October. On many levels, this one is breaking records and trying to go for the bronze medal, which is not good for strong hurricanes, man. And I don't want to freak anybody out, but this is Asteroid Fight Club, and you are an adult. Sometimes asteroids are metaphors. Other times, asteroids are actual asteroids. In the last few days, we've had a bunch of asteroids. TM3.1 lunar distance barely missed us. TL2.3 lunar distances barely missed us. That was on the 6th. On the 7th, today, we got 0.3 swinging by. TR4, totally ridiculous 4. And then today, you got another one, totally wonky, 2 at 0.8 lunar distances. That's a lot of really close near-Earth asteroids, y'all. So, super duper red alert. And remember, when the sun acts weird, Earth weather acts weird. And people kind of lose their minds hearing this maximum hurricane election, hurricane season 2024, super spooky and dangerous October. And then you throw in like comets, Comet A3 Sinsunchin, and then Jupiter going retrograde on the 9th, Pluto going direct on the 11th. Buckle up, it's going to be a wild, wild October. But please be prepared and evacuate if you want to, and you can. If this hurricane stays on course, it could bring up to 10 to 15 feet of storm surge straight into Tampa and Charlotte Harbor. And I have been told Tampa Bay hasn't seen a hurricane like this in like 100 years. And they've had quite a bit of population growth since then. It appears many Floridians have begun to evacuate. And I think they're saying that you have till tomorrow night to evacuate before conditions get too bad. And apparently, Milton hurricane wins the silver medal for fastest to Category 5 as it's super rapidly intensified. And are we getting hurricane season 2005 deja vu? And you got a geomagnetic storm charging all the particles in the atmosphere. Some models are showing up to 50-foot waves with Hurricane Milton. Yeah, it's just a bad scene all over for this thing. So definitely prayers up for everybody in harm's way. And models have been hinting we may be doing this again around the 16th or 18th. As of right now, most models pin landfall between Crystal River and Tampa Bay. I will keep you updated if that changes. But stay cool, stay safe, and God bless everyone. I'll talk to y'all soon.